Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Land Rover Discovery. This Discovery is featured in the HSE SI6 trim and is a white paint finish. It includes our 7-passenger seating on our brown leather seating surfaces, heated and vented front seats, as well as heated and vented second row outboard seats. We have our roof rack with cross rails, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, adaptive cruise controls, our GPS navigation, a powered sunroof, as well as our heated steering wheel, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see on the front of the door, as well as below, we have two of our Meridian surround speaker systems, power folding mirrors, power windows, as well as our rear window lock above. Below, power locks, our driver memory seat setting with 3 settings, our chrome door handle, as well as storage and another large speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, power tailgate, lane departure assist, and our lighting controls. A little bit of storage just below it. Power driver seat with our side function for our hug, as well as lumbar assist, and we can see the seat finished in our brown leather. Also has a massage function. We have a power tilt telescopic steering column that's controlled from the right hand side in the back. Looking above our steering wheel at our display cluster, we can see in the center that we can see our seating arrangement with our 7-passenger seating. If we hit OK on our steering wheel, we can see that we have some assist settings, and we can rotate these throughout. We can see we have lots of display settings, including driver assistance, map. We also can adjust our heads-up display through it, our vehicle settings, vehicle information, media settings, and our driver assistance, as well as our trip computer. Moving down on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we can see we have one paddle shifter up top. Right-hand side, we have the other. Back to the left, menu controls for our display cluster. Also have our drive mode, as well as our hands-free and voice recognition. Right hand side of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise. We can shorten or lengthen our controls. We also have our cancel and our heated steering wheel button. Push to start ignition just to the right. Moving to the middle, we have all of the our infotainment system. If we click on our nav, we can see that we have our GPS navigation. Home button just below. We have media with our AM. If we go into source, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM. Also have our phone connection. Hotkeys across the bottom, including our seat. We can adjust our temperature to be heated and cooled. And we can do that for all of our seats throughout the vehicle. You can see we can also have massage function in the driver and passenger seat. Then we also have our park sensors, as well as our controls for 4x4i, and our camera with our surround view system. Below we have the controls for our climate control, dual zone in the front of the vehicle and another 2 zones in the back. We have our open button that we can access behind it, and we have our CD player, and we can just close it by lifting up. Volume control on the right hand side. If we push down on either of our climate control, you can see that we can control our heated and vented seats through our climate as well. Just below we have a storage space. On the passenger side, a 12-volt plug, shifter, our 2 cup holders with some storage. Then we have our drive mode select, as well as trailer mode, and our downhill assist, traction control, as well as our adaptive suspension with up and down, and auto stop start, our electronic parking brake. You can see the key here as well. We have our locks and unlocks, our lighting controls, as well as a power tailgate and our alarm system. Center console, we have a 2-tiered storage. You can see we have some shallow storage that can be released through the right hand button, and the left hand button opens up the bottom. You can see we have some storage throughout as well as a felt finish. 2 super slot USBs, our micro SIM, and a 12-volt plug. Passenger seat is also finished in our brown leather, heated, vented, massaging, and powered. Above the rearview mirror, we have our assists for our SOS, as well as a maintenance assist. Covers for our dual sunroof, as well as our slide function. You can see we also have a sunglass holder. Putting our covers across for our sunroofs, we have one in the front of the vehicle, as well as one in the back that we can see our cover is still on. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, paint match door handles, a black molded assist step, as well as our black roof rack with crossed rails. All the way around to the back of the vehicle, Discovery badging in chrome, as well as our Land Rover and HSE SI6 badging. We also have our trailer tow package. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our power release right next to our backup camera. In the back, we can see we have our cargo cover. On the side, we have the controls for our seat fold. We can see we have it throughout, and we can also lower our front cover or raise our front cover in a power fold. Also can see we can lower and raise our suspension. We have some hooks as well as lighting and a 12-volt plug. To close the vehicle, we have our power release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, above one of our Meridian speakers, we have power windows, our door handle below in a chrome finish, as well as some storage and another speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage compartments in both the top and bottom of the driver and passenger seat. Between the 2 front seats, we have dual zone AC for the back of the vehicle. If we push in, the same as the front, we have our cooled and heated seat options. You can see between, we also have an auto and sync, fan controls, and our other side passenger controls. 2 12-volt plugs, as well as storage below that. Moving to our second row seating, we have a 60/40 folding bench finished in our brown leather. In our center seat, if we push up our headrest and pull down, we have our 2 cup holders. On the side of the seat, we have our power fold, and we can also see it's right in our door. Also fold it more from the top of the vehicle. Third row, we have a 50/50 folding bench seat. On either side, we can see that we have heated third row seats, as well as our storage hooks. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Land Rover Discovery. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.